The HYTE Y70 is not just a PC case, it's a statement piece. Right out of the box, the Taro milk purple hue is striking, offering a soft, creamy aesthetic that immediately sets it apart. It's also available in other colors. The three-piece panoramic tempered glass design provides an unobstructed view of the internal components, turning your build into a showcase. The dual-chamber design is intelligently laid out, separating the heat-generating components from the rest, which aids in cooling efficiency. Speaking of which, the Y70 boasts impressive cooling capabilities. It supports up to a 360mm radiator on the side and an adjustable top, ensuring even the most demanding CPUs stay cool under pressure. The cold floor cooling option, accommodating either three 120mm or two 140mm fans, is a welcome addition for those pushing their systems to the limit. The inclusion of a color-matched PCIe 4.0x16 riser cable is a thoughtful touch, maintaining the visual harmony of the build. The 4-slot vertical graphics card mount is perfect for displaying your GPU. HYTE has paid attention to the small details that elevate the build experience. Helpful labels guide you through the process. Reusable Velcro straps aid in cable management, and the floating storage sleds keep things tidy. Even the clicky blue power switch adds a touch of premium feel. The toolless panels make accessing and modifying the system a breeze, and the ample cable management space in the rear chamber ensures a clean and organized build. The Y70 is built with tight tolerances and high-quality materials. The HYTE Y70 is a well-thought-out case that combines aesthetics with functionality. It's a great choice for anyone looking to build a high-end gaming PC that looks as good as it performs.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.